Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my video on this channel here. So today's video, I'm going to be traveling from Cardiff to London here. So I'm going to be traveling from Cardiff at 3 a.m. So the time now, it's 2 a.m. right now. So I have to hurry up here so I don't have time to make this introduction here. So yes, I'm traveling to London using the National Express coach. So let's just see how the journey pans out.
Okay?
Yeah, thank you very much. Making sure we don't. Make sure don't. Okay. Take me time. Did I get anything? I'm not leaving it here. Nothing. Thank you very much. Think that's my bus? Okay, I think that's the London one. I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong. Some martyrs here because I know passengers almost missing the National Express, and this is it's their fault at the end of the day. You can't blame the driver for just leaving. It's just yourself. So I just already feel 45 minutes until the train to London, okay?
That's my job.
And located close to the windows. Using the onboard facilities, a toilet and hand washing facilities are available on board. Please take care
been here using National Express for 9 years here, and the ticket, it costs £10.90. It's equivalent from traveling from Cardiff to Swansea without a rail card. So it's okay. It's a nice way to travel to London, a 3-hour journey. So I don't really expect a stopover from a driver. They said we're not gonna stop over.
front of the coach. If occupying, please be aware that you will be required to move seats if a wheelchair or other assisted travel customer requires use of this seat. During your journey, we politely ask that you're considerate of our drivers and other people around you. Listening to music or watching a film, it's essential to be using headphones to minimize noise on board for others.
Man, emergency alarm at 4 a.m. It's just disturbing us. I'm on a 7 bridge right now. Is there like threatening the danger around us? I don't know. On the 7 bridge. It's not even 4 a.m. Look at it. Way out. So here we go. Here we go. So here we go. Welcome to London here. So I just arrived. So If you guys enjoyed watching this video here, make sure to drop a like and make sure to drop a subscribe here so do not miss anything here. Thank you for watching students.